Alright, got some new stuff. Got some fresh camera equipment. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Always cut away from you. There we go. That's more like it. So here is the ICANN MS Pro Beholder 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. Check that out. I got tired of all the terrible video that I was taking. Thought I'd spice that up a bit. Okay, so it comes with an instruction manual. This probably just confuses me, so I'm just going to toss this aside. And it comes, oh, it comes with its own case. Nice packaging. So it uses 18650 batteries, you know, similar to your vapes and stuff. It comes with a charger. Okay. Nice. That's actually pretty solid. It's very lightweight. It's all aluminum. All right, let's get this on the camera and try it out. All right. So let me just make some adjustments here. So I've got the whole setup. So let me just shake this around, and oh, it's pretty stable. Wait, where are you going? Come back here. Alright, so there you go. Now I've got a gimbal. Let's make shooting cars a lot easier. It's quite a bit heavier than just holding the camera, so I just have to get used to it. But yeah, there you go. Oh, there. Okay, so I can move it up and right. Pan and tilt and zoom. Can I zoom? No. Okay. I think we turn it around. What about mode? What does mode do? Okay, it beeps. Doesn't really... Okay, might actually have to read the instruction manual to figure out what this does. Hey everyone, I'm at Diamonds by Raymond Lee for the Diamonds and Donuts car show. And this is my first day with the gimbal, so I'm getting used to it. My arm is actually really tired because I'm holding up this 5-pound machine, but they got some cool cars here. Let's check it out. This is a, oh, check this out. This is a Porsche 944 convertible. Bet you haven't seen one of these. So the roof was actually cut off and the chassis was reinforced at the factory. And then the car was sent off to a different company so that they could build the top. So you could have a convertible 944. It's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the interior. Yeah, you got equalizer, shifter, huge steering wheel with the airbag. Yeah, not bad. Typical 90s Porsche interior. So you've got a few exotics. Got the Porsche Boxster. What's going on back there? Aventador. Oh, Ford GT. Girls. No. Ferraris. SRT, Dodge Charger, Challenger. So I'm pretty sure I saw this at the Boca concourse, but I'm not really sure which model it is. Here is a 430 Scuderia. It has carbon ceramic brakes. You know, a lot of people call these the F430 Scuderia, but no, it's actually just the 430 Scuderia. Ferrari didn't put the F in front of it for some reason. I don't know why. Here's a Californian. And red F12 with some kids posing in front of it. McLaren 570S and a yellow Ferrari.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello again. Thanks everyone for coming out. Thanks for bringing the great weather. My name is Kareem.
Hey, it's Rob.
What's
up, Rob?
We thank Raymond Lee.
High five the camera. 997 GT3. Oh. You leaving? You're not leaving, right? Good.
It's very hard to drive. It's a great car.
Really? Mickey, John, Mickey.
That's how you gotta live. You know, there's no other way.
One of this here also. Just has to be more contrast. The black is just like blend in too much. But you like that
Oh, F-Type R. Supercharged V8, 500 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Actually, I think it's 550. These sound mean too. It's a nice interior too. It's a little reminiscent of the Corvette C7 with this the interior setup, center console.
Excuse me, guys.
720S just showed up. Yeah. Twin turbo kit, smart wastegates. Like right here, maybe something like this. Is it too hot? The one standing up. If you're gonna try to drift leaving the meet, at least turn off traction control.
My bad.